Hey friends, today we are going to read Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Look at him, he's sleeping. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Look at him snoring. Shh. Shh. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Hey. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Look at that little mouse. He's so cute. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Shh. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white popcorn and they brew black tea. I like tea. Look at them. They got popcorn. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. Shh. Shh. Snoozing. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Shh. Shh. I think the bear's name's Miss Katie. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They mutter and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave, in the woods, and a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Oh, that's the badger. I thought that was the bear. I was like, he's not sleeping, he's dancing. Hare strokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Oh, it's gonna happen. Achoo! Ha! He blows and he sneezes. The whole crowd freezes. It probably would be scary if a bear sneezed. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, he's not happy. Look at him. He's so mad. They're running. They're scared. I'd be scared too. "You've snuck in my lair. You've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans. He wags and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Oh, he's sad. He's crying. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Oh, look, they're gonna have a party with Bear. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Look, they all had such a big party. They're sleeping now. Well, friends, I think that was Miss Katie messaging me, so I'm going to check and see what she has to say. Bye!